Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of example from chapter number 5. What is the name of chapter number 5? Binomial theorem, sequence and series. I'm moving to example 5.22. Question, expand 1 over 1 plus 3x the whole square in power of x. First, we have to find out the condition. Find a condition on x for which the expansion is valid. Solution. Given condition 1 over 1 plus 3x the whole square. So we can write no denominator bring out numerator means what will happen 1 plus 3x. So power 2 means we can write it minus 2. In binomial expansion, power of minus means another one formula is 1 plus x the whole power of minus n means 1 minus nx plus n into n plus 1 over 2 factorial into x square minus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x cube plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 over 4 factorial into x power 4. Starting plus means minus, so plus means again minus dot dot dot. Therefore, the given condition modulus x, when you can apply this one, condition modulus x less than 1. Instead of x here, what the value is there? Modulus of 3x less than 1 means definitely 3 modulus of x less than 1. So, find the condition means definitely modulus of x less than 1 by 3. This is the condition, okay? One more time, we need for which the expansion is valid. Therefore, x is equal to what is the value? 3x, then n is equal to true. Just to apply it, 1, x means what is the meaning? 1 plus 3x, the whole power of minus 2 is equal to 1 minus n means 2, isn't it? So, 2 into x means 3x. Then plus n means true. 2 into 2 plus 1 means 3. So, divided by 2 into x square means 3x the whole square. Then plus minus means again n means what is the value? 2 into 3 into 4 into divided by 3 factorial means 6 into x cube means 3x the whole cube. Then plus next term also. So 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Therefore, divided by 4 factorial means 24, isn't it? Then x power 4 means 3x the power of 4. So, therefore, 1 minus 6x, there 2 cancel means plus 3 into 3x the whole square means we can write 9x square. Next one, 2, 3, 6. Therefore, 4 into 3x the whole cube means 27 x cube. Then plus next term 2, 3, 4 cancel. So, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24 cancel plus 5 into 3x power 4 means 3 power 4 means 81 into x to the power 4. Now, final answer 1 minus 6x. Then 3 into 9 means plus 27 x square. So, again 27 into 4 means 4 7s are 28, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, 108. So, minus 108 x cube plus 81 into 5, 1 5s are 5, 8 5s are 40, 405. So, 405 x to the power 4, next term minus dot dot dot, okay. I will continue the next example, please stay on the line. Example 5.23, expand the condition 1 by 3 plus 2x the whole square in power of x. Find a condition. First we have to find out the condition. So, denominator bring out numerator means what will happen? 3 plus 2x minus 2. So, always starting with 1, isn't it? Because 1 plus x the whole power means the binomial expansion is moving. So, 3 take common outside means 1 plus 2 by 3x the power of minus 2, whole power of minus 2, isn't it? Therefore, 3 power minus 2, then into 1 plus 2 by 3 x power of minus 2. So 3 power minus 2 means we can write 1 by 3 square. Then 1 plus 2 by 3x the whole power of minus 2. 1 by 3 square means 1 by 9. Then 1 plus 2 by 3x the power of minus 2. Now this is 1 by n, 1 by 9 constant. Then remaining first we need to find out the conditions. A condition means definitely the formula 1 plus x the whole power of, I will write it here. What is the formula? 1 plus x the whole power of minus n is equal to 1 minus nx, then plus n into n plus 1 over 2 factorial into x square, then minus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 over 3 factorial into x cube, plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 over 4 factorial into x to the power 4 minus dot dot dot. So x means, what is the meaning? The x will be considered for 2 by 3. Therefore condition means modulus of 2 by 3 x less than 1 means modulus of 2 by 3 into modulus of x less than. So 2 by 3 bring on opposite sign means modulus of x less than 3 by 2. This is the condition. Okay. Now I am moving to for which the expansion is valid, isn't it? So expansion is valid means what we have to do? So 1 by 9 constant. So definitely we can say now x is equal to, what is the value? X is equal to 2 by 3. Then sorry, x is equal to the condition 2 by 3 by 2, no? So definitely the condition, so x is equal to 2 by 3. Then one more condition, n is equal to minus 2 means 2 will come. Now we can apply the value. So 1 plus 2 by 3x the whole power of minus 2 means 1 by 9 constant. So 1 by 9 constant, then inside 1 minus n means 2 into 2 by 3x, then plus n means 2 into 2 plus 1 means 3 divided by 2 into x means 2 by 3 the whole square, then minus again n means 2, 3 into 4 into divided by 6 into x cube means 2 by 3 x the whole cube, then plus again 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 divided by 4 factorial means 24, x power 4 means 2 by 3x the whole power of 4. Now if you remove the bracket means 1 by 9, otherwise one more time, okay, then inside 1 minus 2 into 2 means 4, isn't it? So 1 minus 4 by 3 into x. Next condition plus there 2 cancel means 3 into 2 by 3 x the whole square, therefore 4 by 9 x square. The next condition minus 2, 3, 6 cancel, the 4 into 2 by 3 x the whole cube means 8 by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 into x cube. Then last term plus 2, 3, 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Then balance 5, 2 by 3. 2 power 4 means 16. 3 power 4 means 81. X to the power 4 minus dot dot dot. Now we can apply 1 by 9 into 1 means 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 3s are, sorry 4 is there, no? 4 by 27x. Then plus here 3 times again 9 3s are 27, therefore 4 by 27x square minus, is there anything too possible to cancel? Nothing, no? Because 4 and 27, therefore 8 4s are, so 32 by 27x cube, then plus 16 into 5, half of 16 means 80 by 81 x to the power 4 minus dot dot dot. Sorry my dear, outside common 9 is there, no? So first 3 term is clear. Second term 8 4s are 32. 27 into 9 means 9 7s are 63 means 3 6. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. Therefore 2 4 3. Then next term also 81 into 9. 1 9s are 9. 9 8s are 72. So 729. 729. This is answer. Okay, I will continue the next example. Example 5.24. Okay, condition find cube root of 65. Solution. Cube root means we can write, no? So cube root of 65 means 65 to the power 1 by 3. How to expand 65? 64 plus 1, the whole power of 1 by 3. Now 64 plus 1 means definitely 64 take common outside means 1 plus 1 by 64, the whole power of 1 by 3 means the whole term, isn't it? 1 by 3. Therefore 64 to the power of 1 by 3, then 1 plus 1 by 64, the whole power of 1 by 3. 64 means definitely 4 cube, no? So 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4 means 64. The whole power of 1 by 3. Then inside 1 plus 1 by 64, the power of 1 by 3. So 3 3 cancel means 4 only balance. Again 1 plus 1 by 64, the whole power of 1 by 3. This is power of positive, no? So how to rewrite the binomial expansion? 1 plus x, the whole power positive n means 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 3 factorial into x cube. So x is equal to the condition always we know modulus of x less than 1. Some of the students, sir, we can apply in this case also, no? Look at there. So 1 plus x the whole power n means is possible. Why? The modulus x less than 1. Here definitely we can say the modulus x what the term? Just reverse order means we can write, no, 1 plus 64 the whole power 1 by 3 is there. So modulus x consider for modulus of x always the condition less than 1 means modulus of x 64 means we not possible to know. That's why we are considering 1 by 64 means definitely 0 point something. So 0 point something means we can say, no, less than 1. So say how is it possible modulus of 64 less than 1? That's why just we have to rearrange it. Now we can apply the formula. So what will happen? So x is equal to 1 by 64. X is equal to 1 by 64 as well as n is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So apply it 1 by 1. 1 plus x means already 4 is common, isn't it? 4 is common. 1. Then 1 plus n is equal to what the value? 1 by 3 into x means 1 by 64. The next term plus n into n minus 1. So n into n minus 1 means 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1. The whole term divided by 2 into x square means 1 by 64 the whole square. This is bigger number, some value we can neglect it, then only we will get it some approximate value for this question, okay. So inside each and every term into 4 means 4 plus, then 4 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 64, again plus, next condition, we no need, okay, next condition dot dot it's enough. Now 4 plus 4 into 64 means 16 times. Therefore 1 by 16 into 3 means 3 6 are 18, 8, 1 3 are 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 1 by 48 plus dot dot dot. Therefore 4 plus 1 by 48 approximately 0.20833 will come. 33. Therefore we can write it 4.201. This is approximately value, okay. I will continue the next example. Continuation of example 5.25. Prove that cube root of x cube plus 7 minus cube root of x cube plus 4x approximately is equal to 1 by x square when x is large. So listen, solution. So 1 by 1. First I am moving to consider for cube root of x cube plus 7. So x cube plus 7 means x cube plus 7 the whole power of 1 by 3. So x cube take common outside means x cube the whole power of 1 by 3 inside 1 plus 7 by x cube the power of 1 by 3. So 3 cancel means x bracket of 1 plus 7 by x cube the whole power of 1 by 3. Therefore, now the formula 1 plus x the whole power n means 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x square plus dot dot dot. So the condition x is equal to 7 by x cube, then n is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, 1 plus 7 by x the whole power of 1 by 3 outside common x is there. Then inside 1 plus n into x means 1 by 3 into 7 by x. Now 7 by x, next condition. So 1 plus nx, then plus n into n minus 1. So n into n minus 1 means n is equal to 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. X square means we can write it as 7 by x square means 49 by x to the power 6. So when x is large means we can neglect, no? Only we can consider for first 2 times. So what will happen? So nx is there, isn't it? So nx means x value is 7 by x cube, isn't it? Sorry my dear, this is 7 by x cube now. Yeah, now it's correct. If you each and every time into x means x plus then x cube x 1x cancel means definitely 7 by 3x square. Then next time we can neglect the condition also when x is large means we can neglect it. So therefore the first one answer cube root of x cube plus 7 is equal to x plus 7 by 3x square. The first one answer. Okay. Moving to next term. So next term x cube plus 4. Again cube root of x cube plus 4 means x cube plus 4 the whole term divided by 1 by 3. Now what we have to do? So x cube take common outside means 1 plus 4 by x cube the power of the whole power of 1 by 3. Therefore x cube into 1 by 3, then 1 plus 1 by x cube into 1 by 3. So 3 cancel means x of 1 plus 1 by x cube the whole power of 1 by 3. Now again the same formula 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 2 factorial into x square. Therefore, n is equal to what the value? N is equal to the same one 1 by 3. Then x is equal to 4 by x cube, isn't it? This is 4, no? X is equal to 4 by x cube. Therefore, 1 plus n is equal to 1 by 3 into 4 by x, but outside x term common is there, isn't it? So x common, write it clearly, okay? This is what is the meaning. So 1 plus 4 by x cube the whole power of 1 by 3 is equal to x bracket of 1 plus n value 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 4 by x cube, that is for x. Then plus the next condition, it's moon high, isn't it? So n into n minus 1 means definitely, so 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 will come. Already we know the denominator is x is large means we can neglect it. Approximately value only asking the condition also. Okay, therefore for this one what the answer we have, if you remove the bracket means x plus again x and cube cancel means 4 by 3x square only. Therefore again cube root of x cube plus 4 is equal to x plus 4 by 3x square. The first one, cube root of x cube plus 7 minus cube root of x cube plus 4 is equal to the first one, x plus 7 by 3x square. Second term minus sign, common minus, no, therefore plus into minus x, then minus 4 by 3x square. So plus x minus x cancel, then 7 by 3x square minus 4 by 3x square. Therefore, common denominator 3x square means 7 minus 4 means again 3 cancel mean definitely 1 by x square. This is approximately value, isn't it? So approximate. Okay. I will continue the exercise question. Okay, be stay on the line. Moving to exercise 5.4, question number 1. Given 4 subdivision. Okay. One by one we can discuss. Expand the following ascending powers of x. Find the condition of x also. So ascending power means cx x to the power 1 x square x cube, it's moving on. Okay. That is called small to big. Now first subdivision 1. Question 1 by 5 plus x. So 5 plus x, bring out numerator means 5 plus x the whole power minus 1. Again starting always 1, isn't it? According to the binomial expansion. Therefore 5 take common outside means 1 plus x by 5 the whole power of minus 1. Therefore 5 to the power minus 1, 1 plus x by 5 the whole power of minus 1. So 5 to the power minus 1 means we can write it 1 by 5. Again 1 plus x by 5 the whole power of minus 1. Now the formula 1 plus x the whole power of minus 1 means 1 minus nx plus n into n plus 1 over 2 factorial into x square, then minus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 over 3 factorial into x cube, then plus dot dot dot. Now from this x is equal to what is the value? X by 5. So x is equal to x by 5, n is equal to 1. So this is when you can apply always modulus x less than 1. So condition, now we can say condition modulus x by 5 less than 1 means definitely we can say modulus x less than 5. This is condition. So now we can apply 1 minus n is equal to 1, no. So x means x by 5. Therefore 1 minus x by, but outside common term, what is the common term is there? 1 by 5. 1 by 5, no. Now x by 5. Next condition plus n into means 1 into 2 divided by 2 factorial means 2. X means x by 5 the whole square, then minus again n means 1 true, n plus 2 means 3 divided by 3 factorial means 6. 6 into x cube means x by 5 the whole cube, then plus dot dot dot. Now each and every time into 5 means 1 by 5 minus x by 25, then 2 cancel. So positive, if you remove the bracket means x square by 25 into 5, then minus 2 3 cancel, then x cube by 125 into 5 plus dot dot dot. Therefore final answer 1 by 5 minus x by 25 plus x square by 25 into 5 means 125 minus x cube by 125 into 5 means 625 plus dot dot dot. This is answer for subdivision 1. I am moving to subdivision 2. Subdivision true. Question true by 3 plus 4x the whole square. Now denominator part bring out numerator means true into 3 plus 4x the whole power of minus 2. Now starting with always 1 means true inside Again 3 take common outside. 2 into 3. 2 into 3, then 1 plus 4 by 3x, the whole power of minus 2. Therefore, true already constant. Again 3 to the power minus 2, inside 1 plus 4 by 3x, the power of minus 2. Now, true 3 power minus 2 means we can write it 1 by 3 square. Inside 1 plus 4 by 3x, the whole power of minus 2. Therefore, true by 9, 1 plus 4 by 3, the power of minus 2, x. Now we can apply the formula. 1 plus x, the whole power of minus n is equal to 1 minus nx plus n into n plus 1 true factorial into x square minus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x cube plus dot dot dot. So definitely the condition modulus x less than 1. We have modulus x value 4 by 3. Therefore, 4 by 3x less than 1 means definitely 4 by 3 mod x less than 1. Therefore, condition 4 by 3 bring on opposite side means 3 by 4. This is the term for condition. Okay. Now, the main term definitely n is equal to true. Then x is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, 1 minus n means true into x 4 by 3. But outside common term is there, true by 9 is equal to, then plus n means true into 3 divided by true, x square means 4 by 3 the whole square, minus again true 3, 2 plus 1 means 3, 2 plus 2 means 4 divided by 6, x cube means 4 by 3 into x, isn't it? 4 by 3 the whole cube, isn't it? So x means 4 by 3 the whole square. So 1 plus x, no? So x means 4 by 3. Now, what will happen? So true by 9, then 1 minus 2 4s are 8 by 3, they 2 cancel, plus 3 into 4 by 3 the whole square means 16 by 9, minus again true and 3 cancel, then 4 into 4 power 3 means 64 divided by 3 into x cube, isn't it? Now, is there any, yeah, here also 3 cancel, no? Therefore, final answer true by 9, 1 minus 8 by 3, then plus 16 by 3 x square. Here x will come, no? So x square, then here x, so 8 by 3x plus 16 by 3 x square minus 64 into 4 means I think 256. 4 4s are 16, 1, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So minus 256 x cube by 3 plus dot dot dot. This is answer for subdivision true. Okay. Subdivision third question. 5 plus x square the power of 2 by 3. There is always starting positive sign, isn't it? But we have 5 is there. Take common outside means 1 plus x square by 5 the whole power of 2 by 3. So next what we have to do, check it there, 5 take common outside, then 1 plus x square by 5 the power of 2 by 3. Now the condition, the main condition, sorry, this is 5 to the power 2 by 3, no? Now the formula 1 plus x the whole power of positive n means 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial x square, then plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x cube plus dot dot dot. Now look at there the condition. So definitely we can say n is equal to 2 by 3, x is equal to x square by 5. Therefore outside we have 5 power 2 by 3, inside 1 plus n means 2 by 3 into x square by 5, then plus again n means true by 3. N minus 1 means definitely minus 1 by 3 divided by true into x square means, or otherwise we can write now 1 by true in reciprocal form. Into 1 by 3 into x square means we can say x square by 5 the whole square. The next term again n means true by 3, then minus 1 by true. Again true by 3 minus true means true minus 6 divided by 3. Therefore minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 into 3 factorial means 1 by 6. Then x cube means what is the meaning? X square by 5. X square by 5 the whole cube. Now outside as it is 5 to the power 2 by 3, then 1 plus true x square divided by 3 5s are 15, then minus sign. Then what are the cancel? 2 true cancel. Then x square means we can write it x to the power 4 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 5, sorry 3 3s are 9, then 5 square means 25. Again 25 into 9 means 9 5s are 45 means 5, for 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 2 is equal to 225. Then next condition, what are the cancel? True and 6 3 times, then remaining as it is, no? So but denominator 3 is there. This is actually minus 1 by 3 will come, isn't it? Now denominator 3 4 times, though 4 times is there, therefore 3 power 4 means 81, but minus into minus plus 4 by 81 into x square x power square x square the whole power 3 means x power 6, then 5 cube means 125. This is the answer for subdivision third, but I didn't write it. Condition means what is the condition is there? X square is in. So modulus of x square by 5 less than 1 means modulus of x square less than 5. Therefore x square means we have the square, so positive all the time should be positive, therefore we can say x square less than 5. This is the condition. Okay, moving to last one, subdivision 4. So subdivision 4, x plus 2 the divided by minus 2 by 3. So x plus 2 we can interchange 2 plus x. So 2 plus x the whole power of minus 2 by 3. Now again 2 take common outside means 2 power minus 2 by 3. Inside what will happen? 1 plus x by 2 the whole power of minus 2 by 3. Now this is actually power of minus, isn't it? So 1 plus x the whole power of minus n means 1 minus nx plus n into n plus 1 over 2 factorial into x square plus, sorry, plus minus plus then minus again n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 over 3 factorial into x cube plus dot dot dot. Now the condition, so x is equal to we can say x by 2 as well as n is equal to 2 by 3. First condition, modulus x by 2 less than 1 means mod x divided by less than 1. Therefore the condition mod x less than 2. This is condition for subdivision 4. Okay, then just apply it. 1 minus common we have 2 to the power minus 2 by 3. Therefore we can write it 2 to the power positive 2 by 3. Then 1 minus n means 2 by 3 into x value x by 2. Then plus n means again 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 plus 1 means 2 by 3 plus 1, definitely 3 into 1 3. So 5 by 3, isn't it? So now 5 by 3 into 1 by 2, then x square means what will happen? X by 2 the whole square. Then next one minus of again n means 2 by 3, n plus 1 already we know 5 by 3, 5 by 3 again 5 by 3 plus 2, sorry, n plus 2 means 2 by 3 plus true. What will happen? True by 3 plus true means true plus 6 divided by 3. This is called 8 by 3. Again 8 by 3 into x cube means x by true the whole cube. So plus dot dot dot. Now, so 2 to the 1 by 2 to the power true by 3. Inside 1 minus 2 to cancel. So x by 3 plus there true cancel. Then 5, isn't it? So 5x square divided by 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. Therefore 5 by 36 into x square. Then minus of, so there actually definitely x cube by 8 will come. Then true and 8, how many times? 4 times. Then again 8 and 4, 2 times. Therefore 2 5s are, so 10 x cube divided by 3, how many times? 3 times is there. Therefore 27 into 8, isn't it? So 2 cube means already we know 4 is there, isn't it? So plus dot dot dot. This is answer for subdivision 4. Okay, I will continue the next question.